Ba 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 ba. Tequila. Cheers, guys. Hi, guys. I'm so happy. It's another tequila day. Ba-bam, ba-da-ba-da-bam, bam. Ba-dam, ba-da-ba-dam, bam. We're gonna make a strawberry margarita. So come on with me. I've put all my ingredients. For some reason, even my syrup. And the star of the show, my strawberries. Come on, let's go. So here I come with my strawberry tequila simple syrup triple sec. I forgot my lime. Wait a second, I'm gonna take 2. Come on. And here I come with my limes. Start by slicing up a lime, cut it in half. Ta-da! Let me do the trick. So let's cut the green parts off. 1, 2, and 3. Maybe at 4. Shake here. Add the strawberries in. Take up your muddler. And muddle. Now let's rim our glass before it's too late. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this strawberry ends and go over the rim of my glass, basically. Salt. Let's see if that will do. Ooh, it's gonna be pinkish. See? It's pinkish. I don't know how to show the color in the camera. Take these out of the way. Now it's time to assemble our cocktail. Start off by adding my syrup. I'm gonna go 15 ml only because my strawberries were quite sweet when I tasted them. Triple sec. Another 30. So that's 15, that's 30. We're not gonna measure, but I'm gonna squeeze in a lime. So, or maybe half a lime is more than enough, I think. Tequila. I'm gonna add 60. Come closer. Oh, it didn't have that sound. I waited too long. Put the lid on and start shaking. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-bam. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-bam. Ra-ba-ba-da-ba-da-bam-bam. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-bam-bam. Tequila. Perfect. Smells so nice. Start pouring. I'm gonna double strain this one. Or maybe not. I'm just gonna use this. Maybe a bit of strawberry bits gonna come into your glass, but it's okay. Strawberries blocking the way. Add some ice into my drink because right now it looks too empty. And I'm gonna garnish it with a tiny strawberry. Let's go. Cheers, guys. Beautiful strawberry march. Cheers. Wow. Delicious. Best, by far, the best margarita I had. This is on top of my list. I'm gonna definitely make this again. Tequila! Cheers, guys. And oh my god, the rim is delicious as well. Strawberry margarita. Try this at home. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. It's sweet, it's citrusy, it's delicious, it's so good. I don't know how to describe it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're the Tipsy Duo, and I'm gonna come back with more variations of the classic March. So this was the strawberry. I had a bit more than I should have on the video, but it is what it is. See you. Ba-bam, ba-da-ba-da.